you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Would you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love.
Check. It's almost good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we are all set to kickstart this event anytime soon. But before that, just information on the Bahaitara, just quickly. Maruina stays ki manning the Pamivasing Yaragadi Mamangi sitting Sahana mention Bio Haidana Tapiri, Aduga. Once Pambi Hergadi, Yamkana, quickly stays the Chatpa Kotpasita with another Haidana, no look again, because a quickly floating water, that quickly floating Oibanina, stay Sekitang Kahani, unbalanced Hagadra, stable Kitang, we party on the Yaragadi, Yangba Limbi Passing. Isai Sagi Pampam Lang, the one settled to Viragadi Limbi, the Nana Bahaidan, no look again, Yaragadi, Mamang the Hang, but sitting Sahana. Cover toxin bio hana mention bio I then I'm taking no look check. Cheek once, cheek. All crew members stand by, please. We are all set to start the event anytime soon. So, crew members saying, stand by the levy in the next season. Aduga Mutahana, ladies and gentlemen, Taramasimu Taba, Lembi Liba, Puchel Charaba, Maruma Pang Sing Yaragati, Mamang Tangba, Sitsing Sihana. Lokshin Biraga, Manning Sing to Hang Lagatum Tambio, Duga Yaragati, Quiggy, once Pambi Hergati, Yamna Chatpa Kotpa Lingbi, the Nana Bahaidana, no Luksage, Aduga, Atopayamna Marueva, Wapamana, Isai Sagi, mobile phone sing, Adu Yaragati silent mode, the Tambina Nanaba, Haidana Tamzage, Ramli Quiggy, Lady Runway Silasina, Kanagumagi phone, the Kangho and a heck ring, Laxalagati, the disturbance, Lakatamaramna. But gentlemen, ladies, singing phone sing. Yaragati silent mode. Thambina na nabaning sing. Zari do once. Koi shows you how kragati ramta chatok chasin tawasima strictly and strictly prohibited. Tawzege koi madu tawita na nabaning sing zege duga. Horen Pumpum sina nungai te haidana show haurakana pumpum change to wana ching basu yari makai to bidana na bahaidanai mangjona na noluk chari especially aina haijariba yaragari sai gi phone sing to silent mode ta thambigani koigi leiba runway se amna ko close oiba audience ka duga koigi model sing jam close oibani na madugi the sevens to talk na na bahaidana thamjabani. One last final call, ladies and gentlemen. Those who are here to witness the event, you are requested to please take your seats and not to move while the show is going on. Right, so it's already evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to distinguished guests, fashion lovers, and the well-wishers of our popular Robert Naorem. A very, very warm welcome to the Robert Naorem Presents Fashion Tourism 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is powered by Polo City, co-powered by Oriflame in collaboration with Air India and Film Fair. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is sponsored by Manipur Tourism, Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Loktak Development Authority, Classic Group of Hotels, Iris Ateliers, Howie Bakery, Astra, Goa Trip, Mr. Blue, SR Design, Homeland Security, Pandiras Photographia, TK Videography for Better Kanglei Park, and this event is being live streamed on KhutSem Live and ISTV, ladies and gentlemen. Amukahanna lengsin biriba kwai tara taramna okchari. Asige sukumlaba Robert Naorem Presents Fashion Tourism 2026, powered by Polo City, co-powered by Oriflame in collaboration with Air India and Film Fair. Sugumba tauram daleng sin biriba kwai tara mukahanna noluk na taramna okcheri. Yamna historic oiba dugumba moment ni numit amani haina laugze maramdi ngasige koigi lady ba set asimak yamna enchanting oiba mesmerizing oiba duga majestic view amaga loidana fashion asi tourism promote tawna na bage dugumba amma tangai ro wakhalonda hairiba tharamasi pangthok chabani set against the breathtaking backdrop of the majestic Loktak Lake. Robert Naorem's event is a celebration of Manipur, where fashion becomes a powerful medium of tourism and cultural storytelling. By bringing couture into this iconic natural landscape, ladies and gentlemen, the event highlights the ecological and cultural significance of the Loktak Lake while reimagining it as a living runway. Through this union of fashion, heritage, and place, the showcase presents Manipur not just a destination, but as an experience revealing the state's timeless beauty, rich identity, and creative spirit to the world, ladies and gentlemen. Han mamagta da lengsin biriba kwai tarati aho bukuba matangai nolukna nizaraga tauramasi haudok chadringai da ngasi ke koi gi sugumba tauramasi pangthona bahotna bada chauna mateng tawira sponsors sing koi amamamtang kausinjaraga makoi bu ikai kumna bu utpagi tanjadu lominasi. Okay, so Hairiba Tauramasi live asi ISTV KhutSem live kaktanatana Robert Naorem gi website Naorem gi khoi social media pages sing besu live thari haibasim tang no lukna thamjage ahanbada event asigi ngasigi thauram asibu power tawbiriba Polo City gi representative sing maroina ahanbada karan lingthong piraknanaba ningsingjari koigi sinjalangjar singi maike degi thauram si hautok chadringaida adomgi support adomgi sponsorship pui kai khumna bu chebuina adom ha matada kausinjari please walk up till here sai botang lengsen biraknanaba ningsingjari Polo City app is a homegrown ride-hailing and mobility platform specially designed for Manipur, India. It aims to bridge the gap in urban transportation by providing a reliable, tech-driven service. Next up, we would like to have Vero up on the stage. Polo City, a very important representative once again. Velo, I beg your pardon, Velo, Polo City. Fellow Director of Polo City, Velo, please welcome up. Sinjalangjari busingi maike diga chamba kudol poda matang khusinezaraga adom gi sponsorship kidamakta tawin bam khangba uchari. Ladies and gentlemen, Polo City app platform works similarly to apps like Ola and Uber, but focuses on a specific geography and demographic of Manipur. Users can book bikes, auto cars from Polo City app, ladies and gentlemen. I'll talk more about it later on. Next, we would like to have representative from Oriflame. Oramasibu co-powered Tawiriba Oriflame gi representative. Mengon hangacharabada. Oriflame ki representative. Okay, right. Thank you so very much. Hi Zebutare, Equina. Hi Zerubuda Hara Hara. Yabiduna Sugumba program amagi sponsor Tobiba. Co-powered Tobiba rather. Co-powered by Oriflame India, ladies and gentlemen. Mathangda Manipur Tourism gi representative Sonia Langbom in case mapam se leibiragadi Mathangda Department of Art and Culture Government of Manipur gi any representative leibiragadi Sinjalangjari busingi maike degi achamba khudol pot khusin azabas te saru yabina nanaba Director Art and Culture amutanga hanna Director Art and Culture. Next up, we would like to have any representative from Loktak Development Authority, LDA, any representative. Mapamasdi Hushan Birapalagadi. Amutang okay, Sinjalangja Singi Maike Degi, Chamakudol Pot Kusinabasita Saruyabiu. Next, Classic Group of Hotel, any representative Laibiragadi, Nixon Birakdanaba. When a sponsor singbu felicitate over the Saru Yabiu Haidana Motanko Sinjabani. Next we have Iris Ateliers, any representative Laibiragati Links in Birakdanava. Yeah, she is here. Namkali in a Takajo Pongdukchari Iris Ateliers, when Haizerubuda Hara Harao, Namzaba Matinkra, Tauzaki Haidana, Takpirakpa, sponsors will be Baginamakam Kali in a Takajo Pongdukchari. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to have any representative from Howie Bakery. Howie Bakery representative. Deepak Pangjam, yes, I saw you here somewhere. Okay. Howie Bakery, yes, Yamna Maming Lay Badugumba. Talk of the town, Nehai Batare, Tadababok Lay Badugumba. outlet ta mayamna makhal makhal gi bakery item sing phangbigani. Thank you so very much. Ngasi gi sigumba thoram asida ngamba mateng khar tawbiduna sponsorship obi bagi da matang ngam khai leitan thaga chu phongdok charaga mathang da Astra gi any representative leibiragati lengsin biragdan bai koksin jari. Any representative from Astra? Morris, yes, representing Astra, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, Astra gi mathang da please welcome SR Design gi representative lengsin biragdan na ba no look chage. Thank you so much. Harau ekoi na haizabda ya biraktuna sigumba sponsorship tawi bagi damakta thagach phongdok chari. Stage setup ki Morris, again a very important person. Lady bakoi na uzari ba stage ki ngasigi runway sigi setup tawi ba Morris thagach phongdok chari. Mathang da any representative from Goa trip ki any representative lairagati lengsin birakna na bahaidana koksin jage. Mathangda Mr. Blue, any representative from Mr. Blue, tagi laibiragadi lengsin birakna nanba nixing jari. Next, Homeland Security ki chenau singi maraktagi anybody can come up and please accept the bagi since langsir bisingi maike digi pijari bacham kudol asi accept obiu. Homeland Security, a very important partner indeed. Thank you so very much. So the ngam dana bang akpi bagi damak ta haise betare. Mathang da Pandiraj Photographia, again still gi yamna maru oiba thodang ama lo. Pandiraj Photographia, sige hek mathang da lengsin biraksi DK videography gi sponsorship tobiba DK videography gi representative laibiraga di dum mathang lengsin biraksi kitang thujan ba yabra na yeng minase haise betare. DK videography ki matung da we would like to have somebody from for Better Kanglei Park ki any representative laibiraga di stage lengsin birakna na bam tanga ai no look chege. For Better Kanglei Park ki maike digi yamna choba mateng ama hairaga di koina hosik leizari ba Loktak asi khakana tana Manipur ki Kachin Koya punamakta plastic free oiba dugumba zone ama amadi amod kai lehandaba yamna smart oiba yamna clean oiba city ama purikna na bagi choba thodang lowi ba for Better Kanglei Park ki chinau singbungam khailei tana thaga chu phongdok chari. Mathang da thoramasibu live stream tawirba KhutSem live ki any representative laibiragadi amutang lengsin birakna na bai koksin jari. KhutSem live. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Chunrei Won for the felicitation. Robert Naorem gi sungumba event asi yamna pukchel chauna ngamzaba mawngda support tawbibagidamagta Mrs. Chunrei Won bu sinjalangjari basingi maike dega chamba kudu poram khatang khusinazaraga tawbimar khangbu uchebani. We would like to show this gratitude for your benevolent support. Next up, Loya and Daisy, well-wisher plus Robert Naorem gi nebu haira the end time adum matam pum namakta koi lady haidana chongthok pirakpagi damakta haizaba tare so very much adumak koi na haizarubada harau ngamzaba khadang oragasu haidana lepiba Loya and Daisy. Thank you so very much for your support. Next, we would like to have Manju Sharma. Manju Sharma, please come up and accept the token of love from none other than Robert Naorem. Right, so once again, ngamkai leitay na ina amom tangoy na mutang haizadragasu sigumba sponsor tawbiriba chilnaw barumapang well wishes sing ngamkai leitay na thagajaw phongdok chari Robert Naorem ge sumba show si mapung pahan na hotnabada domgi support domgi collaboration ngamkai leitay na aikoy na tawi man khangbu uchari. Right, so just a great show si haujadring aida ngasi gi sungulaba event asibu ko power to wirba Oriflame gi maikai dagi wapam kharadang thambira na ba haidanai no lukchari. I request a representative from Oriflame India to say a few words on the occasion. Oriflame gi lengbi rakiba ko gi Marup Singh, Chinlau Singh, Wapam Karadang Tambina Nanaba, Haidana Kwena, arrange Tokzabani if you are okay with it. Wapam Karada, Oriflame Gi Maike Degi, Tambina Nanaba Koksinjage. I think we are welcoming Shamyo Horam. No, no, okay. That's okay, I'm so sorry for that. All right, but a few words on the occasion. You are co-powering the event.
Yeah, thank you for giving us the opportunity. Today, I'm very thankful for getting an opportunity on this show, for sharing a few words. So in collaboration with this show by Oriflame, I would like to say a few words about Oriflame on this day. As many people may know, Oriflame is just like a beauty company, but on the other side, it is more than that. We are focusing more on integrative beauty. So beauty inside out and holistic approach of beauty, well-being of a life. So when we talk about Oriflame, it is giving mostly to the empowerment of women, women empowerment, economic empowerment. And we have beauty product that is based on nature, which is powered by nature, and powered by science, and we are inspired by nature. So we have product which is basically based on nature, which is safe for the user as well as which is safe to the environment also. We focus mostly on sustainability. We focus most on the responsible, as a responsible organization, we focus on the environment also. When we take up the ingredients from nature, we see to the level, whether they has to go to extinction or it has to be, where we can take off this kind of ingredients. So basically, we thank you so much to the Robert Naorem for giving us this opportunity. As I already said, we mainly focus on integrative beauty. It's a fashion where, integrative beauty is also can collaborate together, making the future a very proud Manipur. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much, Brother Tamyang Anba from Oriflame. Ladies and gentlemen, this very show will be led by a show director and choreographer who has previously directed Miss India Universe. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have some noise for Sham Khan? The event will feature approximately 40 models from across India, ladies and gentlemen, including leading models from major cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. Next, we would like to have backstage manager James and Masoom. And this is just to let you know, ladies and gentlemen, that the soundtrack is composed by DJ Ansul. Masum, please welcome. Masum and James na backstage game management da achouba thudang lobiri duga ngasi ekhoi ki show sida khongjaga doriba track asi DJ Ansul na compose to birak padugumba track ni masi damakta suai ahobu kobam tang miyam dagi nizage. We are almost done, ladies and gentlemen. Without any further ado, ekhoi Loktak ima gi mathak te ekhoi na ngasi changes chongjatana sanajabani na ekhoi gi ngasi gi sungba thoram asisu Loktak Imabu Saithazaba Dugumba Isay none other than the folk fusion singer of Manipur Pakasanadagi Isay Mtang Lominaraga. We will continue with the Ram walk, ladies and gentlemen.
Loktak na mingsil oi balam Loktak lai zai idol nung Hai nari balam dam ni son nari balam dam ni Kiki moi rau lai pang ni Wakta ginung si nang mi ba malang na li hum ba ti ningo gi sang la soi jai nei mau gi sing de bu sal hali ho Salhali da Kiki moi dang ne lam nong si Kiki Loktak wang phu de moi dang ne Loktak irel pong He Kiki lai je hi garam Pathau ye muni ngo hada pathau ye muni ngo lam lin Loktak khong ba Hanau ne di isang sung ha pa thâu yinguning Nura pakhang kaya gi nungsi panthong yaubada hanba leita tingbang bi hata palim nungsi bi imanida Khamba thoibi anigi wari singbun tabalam Puksil tapi palim imau Nungsibi
Thank you to Pakasana, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting now is Fashion Tourism 2026 by Robert Naorem. now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the internationally acclaimed fashion designer from Manipur, the one and only Robert Naorem. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Robert Naorem.
Everyone, thank you for being here. This is my dream project from so many years. It's coming true. Thank you everyone. Thank you Oriflame. Thank you Department of Art and Culture, Tourism, Polo City, Dakaran, Bello, Chimanju, Jenita, Tejun, everyone who have supported me. And my friend Pinky, thank you so much. And everyone who have attended this evening all the way from Imphal. It's a blessing from Ibudo Thangsing. It's my bless that I'm able to stand here and present this beautiful collection. It's my start of my journey. I have just started this exclusive men's collection. It will all be available at my new store at Singzame Thoksom Lekai. Everything, all designs, any customizations, all the menswear collection will be available there. Thank you Sam Khan, thank you all the models coming all the way down from Mizoram, Nagaland, Guwahati, Agartala, Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, everyone who have sent here. Thank you James, thank you everyone, light team, the production team, the sound team, all the media, KhutSem Live, and to all the people of Manipur who are watching the live now. And to all the people who are present behind the backstage, my team, Corina, Michael, Scarlett, Bhimo, everyone please come up on stage. Cyrus, everyone please be here. Victor, Malem, Rajat, everyone. Ranjan, Rohit, everyone. I want to thank and show the people that you people are behind my backbone who is working the whole night, you know. We were working till yesterday, 5 o'clock till morning and doing the alterations and trying to bring out the show. I know I could not able to give my 100% perfection. I know I could able to improve next time when I do it. But I want to thank my entire team who left behind there. I don't know who are missing here. Cyrus, where is Cyrus? Cyrus. So Corina is the one who has been styling. Thank you Iris for the bag partner, the accessories from the Iris bag. And thank you so much. This is my crew and some are behind. They're not coming out here. Chintu, everyone, Sachila, Rex, Man Master Ji, who have worked the whole night. Thank you Classic Sandra and the entire people who present here. I could not able to, you know, do this event without you all. And also the blessing of Ibudo Thangsing. Thank you so much. Guys, the teas has been served here, so I hope you will race here for some time and take pictures. Models, please don't just race, we will take some pictures.
Right, so ladies and gentlemen, with that, we have come to the end of Fashion Tourism 2026 presented to you by Robert Naorem. But just to remind you, highly exclusive menswear collection asi Robert Naorem gi Anova Studios to Anova Store haizaba tare Singjamai Thongam le Thokchom le kai da leiba mahaki residence maktada Pambi ba yauragadi phangbigani haiba wafamsi thamjaraga. Thank you so very much maru oina event asibu powered tobiriba Polo City co-powered tobiriba Oriflame in collaboration with All India Amadi Film Fair aduga kwegi sponsoring right from Manipur Tourism, Art and Culture Department, Government of Manipur, Thagatu Pongduk Sheri, Ngasike Sungulba Toromasida, sponsor Oibiba. We are also thankful to Loktak Development Authority, Classic Group of Hotel, Iris Ateliers, Howie Bakery, Astra, Goa Trip, Mr. Blue, SR Design, Homeland Security, Pandira's Photographia, DK, Videography for Better Kanglei Park, KhutSem Live and ISTV, Punamapu Mukana Thagatu Pongduk Cheraga, Ngasike Robert Naorem, the Kudol Tamzaba, Fashion Tourism 2026, Matang Sweden Luis and Jerry. See you next year again. Bye bye, everyone.